You see, I tell it like it is, and you got that look that I like. And when you're looking in my eyes, you feel that same feeling twice. Now I can tell right off the back that that ass is mine. It's a wrap, girl, you're so fun. Now won't you take the time and make the most of this moment and come and roll with them poets? We can roll it and smoke it, or mix it and sip it. It ain't no thing to me, girl, long as we post up and kick it. I had a vision the other night of me and you in ecstasy, and when you're next to me, you always bring out the best of me. The streets can have what's left of me, cause that's just how I'm feeling. The feeling straight out the ghetto with a poem for my queen entitled Mommy Te Quiero. Forever you and me, and together you and me is like a poem meant to be. It's such a beautiful thing to see. Now ponder on that for a second while I pour some Hennessy. Now raise your glass, let's have a toast to my beautiful brown queen. Mommy, you a queen, and you need a king, baby. Mommy, you a queen, can I be your king, baby? Mommy, you a queen, and you need a king, baby. Mommy, you a queen, can I be your king, baby?
What's a king with no queen? A heart with no beat, a day with no light, a poet with no ink. And what's the night for, girl? Tell me I can't sleep, I just stay up and think about you. Every king needs a queen, and for me that's you. Something we both know, this song is way past due. Come and see what I mean, baby girl, this is love. I'm a G, I'm a thug, I'm a feed, you're my drug. But when you're gone and I'm alone, I'm just left with the pain, feeling under the weather like I'm out in the rain. So come and take it all away, anywhere that you know, or bless me with your presence, and together we can grow. Like Mary Jane, to me you're precious, and I'll never let you go. I'll always hold you close like a 40-year gold. Through the warm and the cold, you fell in love with a warrior soul. When I was with you, nothing mattered, and that's how I know. Mommy, you a queen, come sit with me on the throne. Mommy, you a queen, come sit with me on the throne. Yeah.
Mommy, you a queen, and you need a king, baby. Mommy, you a queen, can I be your king, baby? Mommy, you a queen.